What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Saungot kisna runar kibla shatwet jur kila Kyllon yap haka jingiather kuli bat ki pulit neka step perngam jonga singi ublay ha khappud ka Meghalaya-Assam hadhila dubi ka bahapapo Golpara district ka Assam. Kini ki runar ki Kyllon yam haka nika jingja kidai ki beratip kerteng kum umukunda rabha subur ali zahidul Islam bat ucheng bat marang. Ki pulit ki atho hadien bakila yo ya ka jingtep ka bathikna lingba ka tanat sentian baka kinhon runar ka don ya ka jingtmu ban le ya ka kam rabor hakate ka jaka kumta mardor kila pelong ka jingkhanra hakate ka jaka. Hadien baka ni ka kinhon runar kala persyang ban phet kerat na kalinti klaw da ka bather kuli syaki pulit kumta ki pulit kila penpai markelyang kabala pelong ya barok saungot ki runar bakin ngat haki jing mensaw. Hadien kanila pinkit no mardor Shabikali Model Hospital hakaba ki doktor kila penbena bakila dep klat no. Ki pulit kila lap dien ru ya kawe ke kali rong saw kabadan yau number AS not R AE arn riu lai lai hakaba kila yo ru ban kurup no ya lai teli ki pistol nakate ka jaka. Hadien ya ki met yap lapa sya Golpara Swahid Nidha Nuram Rajbongshi Civil Hospital banle ya ka postmortem. Nakalyang Superintendent of Police ka Golpara unabanit mahanta ula ong baka ka kinhon runar kadai ka badan kti haki babon ki kam pentriam. Ngila yo e ka jingtip baki don ya ka jingtmu banle ya ka kam rabor. Kumta ngila pelong ka jingpen up shrip habon ki jaka bat haka bakaddu ngila lap dien yaki. Hadien baka ka kinhon runar kelas dang banter kuli sya ka kinhon jongi ngila penpai kelyang kabala pelong yaki bakin ngan haka jingmen saw bat hadien bala penkit syapo hospital hakaba ki doktor ki penbena baki ladap klat lupa uloong.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.